Alright guys, I'm gonna make a different type of video again today. It's going to be about me basically teaching you guys how to do math because not everybody knows how to do math. I mean there's some people that know how to do math and there's some people that don't know there's some people that don't know how to do math at all. So I'm just going to teach you guys what it is. Well, of course you guys know what math is. I'm just saying different types of math to understand. I'm basically going to be like your teacher today. So we're going to be talking about ratios today. I basically want to teach you guys what ratios are. Let's get into ratios. Right in here what we're doing. We are doing ratios. See right there, we are doing ratios today. And you're wondering, Cody, what is a ratio? Well, a ratio, I learned this in school, is if you have something and then another something. So if you're comparing apples to bananas, so we're doing a quick problem. Let's do number 1. So say number 1, you have 3 apples. All right, we have 3 apples. And after we write that 3, we're going to write this thing. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. I was about to say, I was about to say, you gotta be joking me. This is not a joke. My phone just said 20%. I was like, you have to be kidding me. I was saying, are you kidding? It really is 20% already. But say if you have 3 apples, and you're gonna write this thing called a colon. You're wondering, Cody, what's a colon? A colon in math is these 2 dots. And then say if you have 5 bananas, we are going to write the number 5 for bananas. So this is called 3 to 5. So you have 3 apples and 3 bananas. And you're going to write 3:5 for 3 to 5. But there are other ways to write ratios. It's not just 3:5. You can also write it like this: 3, and then the word 2, and then 5. 3 to 5. Or you can write it as a fraction. A common denominator. I can't say that word. Denominator. You're gonna write your denominator. Oh my gosh, I can't say that word. Denominator, whatever it's called. But you're gonna write your fraction 3/5. So that's some ways you can write ratios. There is another way you can write a ratio, and that is by simplifying. Simplifying is another word for divide. So you're going to write 3 divided by 5. And that's some ways to write ratios. So you can see right here, we completed number 1. Number 2. You're going to compare something else. We are going to compare. We'll do commas. That's what we're doing. So I wrote commas. So that's all the ways you can write ratios. Number 2. We're going to compare. I don't know. We're going to compare grapes to strawberries. But if you're comparing grapes to strawberries, the number of grapes comes first before the strawberries. But if you were doing strawberries first, the number of strawberries would come following a colon, then the number of grapes. But in this problem, we are doing grapes to strawberries. So say we have 6 grapes. So 6 colon grapes to strawberries. And we have 2 strawberries. So 2. That's the way to write a ratio. Or a comma. And now we are going to do another way. 6, number 2, and then 2, comma. Then you can simplify or divide. Wait, no, I mean, we're going to do a fraction. So 6 over 2, comma. And then we can simplify or divide. But in this problem, we're not going to simplify. We're not going to actually simplify and divide. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, what ratios look like. So that's what ratios look like. And then you're going to do it like this: 6 divided by 2. And now we did that problem. Now I'm going to do 4 problems. So number 3, we're going to do another ratio. But what can I compare? I'm thinking about what I can compare. I'm going to compare another food. Pizza, actually, no, that's kind of like slices. Let's do olives, which I don't like olives, but olives to, we're going to do olives to blueberries. So you have 8 olives, colon, and then, let's do something else. Yeah, blueberries. We have 3 blueberries. So we can do 8, colon, 3 blueberries, comma, 8, number 2, 3, comma, 8 over 3, comma, and then we're going to do simplify, 8 divided by 3. And that's a way to write a ratio. That's going to be the end of this video. This will be completed. Let me write a better check. This is going to be a big check because we did good. Why can't I do that? Or we did that. That's like terrible check. But here is how you do ratios. Then I was basically practicing on the back 10 to 24, like, I don't know. Let me think of something funny. 10 DDL vectors to 24 teachers. I don't know. Alright, guys, I'm going to end this video. And guess what, guys? Watch this. I'm writing on the back. You can learn anything Cody out. Alright, that's the end of this video. This is how you do ratios. Goodbye. Cody out. You can learn anything. Cody out.